Hey guys, let's review trade I had today. This was actually a swing trade in the ABBV. So I'll do a quick review for that and just kind of break down my thoughts and how the trade ended up. So if we look at ABBV, ABBV's in the healthcare sector, so that's why we have XLV pulled up. So we got XLV pulled up, and I swung it from yesterday to today. So you can see the XLV sector had a strong bullish bar that closed above the 21 EMA. Plus, you can see that there was bullish divergence, right? Because that selling pressure has been steadily decreasing over the past few days. Now, if we look at ABBV on the daily, my thoughts going into this was one, the market had a strong day yesterday. Two, the sector was strong, and so now I looked at the stock. The stock was strong as well, and it was in a squeeze. So you can see it was squeezing. Buying pressure was coming in over the past few days, and it was above that 21 EMA. So to me, that signaled that the stock should have some potential to be a good swing. So I ended up buying it towards the close of the day. I ended up buying ABBV, I think right around this candle, around 140. I bought at 139, 139.40ish. You can see it sold off towards the end of the day. Throughout the night, obviously it had a bit of price action, and then in the morning you can see it came back up, and I actually ended up selling right at the top there. So I think I sold around 140.25ish, 140.27 for a 30% gain on ABBV, and then you can see it actually went up to a high of 141.71 today, and then it just kind of messed around in that territory for the rest of the day. So it was a good trade. I'm actually looking for. I drew this line in. If we go back to the daily chart, I drew in that top right around 141.71, and then I was essentially looking for ABBV to break that high today, but it didn't yet. So I'm still looking for some upward movement out of ABBV over the next couple of days. Like I said, when the stock's squeezing, it's still squeezing with buying pressure, and it hasn't even broken out yet. So I'm really looking for these red dots to start turning green, like as you can see here, and you can see ABBV breaking out, right? And once it broke out from 116, I'll just say at 116, 117-ish, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We had 15 bars. Now, typically, looking about 8 to 10 bars, this did have a pretty good breakout, over above average breakout, but essentially ABBV went from $117 to $135 on that breakout. So I'm looking for that same type of breakout to be coming once it breaks through that high here. So I'll be looking to play ABBV definitely tomorrow, and definitely going into the next week. So with that being said, hopefully you guys traded well today, and hopefully your week's shaping up to be pretty good. The market, outside of my trade today with ABBV, was pretty much kind of just back and forth. It was pretty sloppy price action, you asked me. So I didn't take any other trades. So we'll see how 0 days treat us tomorrow. But once again, make sure you are, one, mitigating risk, and two, take A+ setups. To save you a lot of pain and anguish if you're just taking your A+ setups and sticking to your plan. So anyways, I'll talk with you guys tomorrow.